Hi, today I'm running Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's launch Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Here we can see that we're logging into two accounts at the same time, and now just to log out from one from these accounts, we should log out from Google account on our device. So just to do that, we should click manage accounts on this device, select one from these two accounts and click remove account. After that, we should confirm our action, and in Google account settings we can see that we just stay only with one Gmail account. So let's go back to the application, let's refresh it, and we can see that in app we also stay only with one Gmail account. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.